clean with me. I just finished eating takeout, Thai food to be exact. So now it's time to clean up. I'm going to gather all of the trash, which includes bowls, tops, lids, and I'm going to gather the dishes. In this case, a few reusable chopsticks and a couple of plates. So I'm going to gather all the trash, which includes the lids, tissue, disposable chopsticks, and I'm going to put them into a pile all of their own to be disposed of. If you have a recycling program, try to recycle. So now that I have these piles of things to be taken care of, I'm going to separate them. The things that need to go into the trash, I'm going to throw them into the trash. The sauces, I'm going to put in the refrigerator to use at a later time. So what's left is the dishes. I'm going to put them in the dishwasher, but before I put them into the dishwasher, I must rinse some of the food that is stuck onto the plate. This is going to prevent the dishwasher from breaking down. I'm going to turn on the garbage disposal to ensure that all of the debris goes down the drain. Then I'm going to rinse the sink out, as you can see, of any of the debris that didn't go down to the drain. Next, I'm going to take some Windex and spray the top of the countertop with the Windex, and I'm going to let it soak for about a minute or less, and then wipe it all up. There may be some food left on the counter, so I'm just going to simply take the food and put it in the sink and maybe run the garbage disposal one more time. As you see, I'm scrubbing quite hard because I want to ensure that the countertop is fully clean using the Windex. I'm sure to get the edges across the base and then also the lip of the sink. Thank you for cleaning with me. Hope to see you next time.